imperative in lawmaking. So why should it be taken into consideration, Madam Chair?
Diba? Nga kayo ngayon.
This representation was not the appropriations chair at the time. So the person who's covering the jurisdiction of that particular document, that is a document within the purview of the 19th Congress. Given that we've now crossed over to the 20th Congress, we would need to consider that request.
Madam Chair, that's not acceptable. This is public records. Pareho pa naman yung COMSEC natin. At yan dapat linalagay sa archives. Do I have to read the rules again regarding archives?
Correct.
Of all documents?
Wala silang lusot dito.
So may ang daming violation, Madam Chair. Walang record, hindi binigay. Ngayon, it's not readily available. Walang record.
Actually, nagbabase lang si Toby Chanco sa rules rin nila. So, wala silang lusot dito. Nasaan po ang report? Yun ang dapat nating tingnan kung ano yung nabawas, nadagdag. Di ba? Kung may corruption bang nangyari, yun, hinahanap yun.
Narito ang Balitang Pinoy TV.
Okay, ayan na nga. Sobrang mainit itong topic natin ngayon. Ha? Kasi po, una, ang mainit nating ipapakita sa inyong video kanina sa House of Representatives. Mainit ang debate nina itong si Toby Chanco, no? Congressman Toby Chanco. Si Toby Chanco, nainis itong si Toby Chanco. Kasi parang ayaw na siyang bigyan ng oras sa mga question niya. Okay? Patungkol po ito sa mga reports, no? Mga committee reports na bakit hindi ito ina-archive. Dapat itong ina-archive ito para kung sa ganun, kung meron na tayong time na i-investigate natin, i-check natin itong mga reports na ito, kung paano nagasto itong mga budget na ito, paano sila nadagdagan, paano sila nabawasan ng budget, dito yan makikita sa archive. Hinahanap ni itong Congressman Toby Chanco. Walang masagot ang mga majority dyan. Majority leader sa Sandro Marcos nasa kilid, nakinig lang si majority leader. So yan po ang ating itatalakay ngayon, itong talamak na korupsyon ngayon sa administrasyon. Pero bago ang lahat, bago natin ito pag-uusapan, help me po na i-like muna at i-share itong video na ito para guys kakalat ito sa taong bayan. Okay, sabay-sabay nating i-like muna at i-share itong video natin, Facebook at YouTube. 1, 2, 3, go! Okay, like and share para maraming makalam. And also guys, paki-subscribe at paki-follow ito para lagi kayong updated sa mga balita na kagaya nito. At ma-notify ang inyong mga cellphones kung meron tayong breaking news. Okay? So, kagaya nito, breaking news ito. So, sabay-sabay natin i-follow, i-subscribe, Facebook at YouTube. Ready? Follow, subscribe. 1, 2, 3, go! Ayan, thank you very much. Heto. Ipapakita ko rin itong video dito ni Toby Chanco. Na, paano natin ito malalaman kung paano po ang ginasta nitong mga congressman na ito. Magkano ang binawa sa kanila na pera, paano yung mga pinasok sa kanila na pera, dapat malalaman na to. Hinahanap ito ni Toby Chanco. O heto mainit kasi yung debate nila kanina at kailangan po nating mag-react dito. Okay? Ito, panoorin natin. Toby Chanco, pasok.
We'll now move to the next member to ask questions. The Honorable Toby Chanco from the Independent Bloc.
Yes, Madam Chair. The highlight of the President's SONA was nung sinabi na mahiya naman kayo, Initiative Errata for the Boys SOP. So ang Initiative at Errata ay nanggagaling po yan sa Kongreso. Kaya nga medyo nahirapan si Sec Ralph na sagutin kung paano nabawasan yung iba.
Obserbahan nyo kung paano sila iiwas dito sa mga tanong ni Toby Chanco.
Dahil talagang Kongreso po may alam yan. At dalawang pagkakataon po yan, sa BICAM at sa Small Committee. So I would like to ask the Chair to furnish all of the members the signed report of the small committee for 2025.
Yan.
Bakit gumagalaw yung oras ko?
Parang
hindi naman kasama
minamadali siya dito na yung oras niya, instead na i-stop, nag-continue yung oras niya. Hinihintay nila. Yan. Break. Forward natin.
Will be put under consideration and we will let you know if it's possible to...
No. Madam Chair, why should it be put under consideration? This is a public record. This is in accordance with our rules.
Correct.
That all committee reports must be given to all members. And that shouldn't be taken against my time because you're telling me that, teka, balik natin yung oras ko kasi sinasabi na that will be taken into consideration. It should not be taken into consideration. Madam Chair, allow me to read this, no? Declaration of Principles and Policies. Section number 2 of our rules. Public office is a public trust. The House of Representatives and every member thereof are accountable to the people at all times. I will not read the ending portion. Number 3, efficient and effective access to and dissemination of appropriate and accurate information are imperative in lawmaking. So why should it be taken into consideration, Madam Chair?
Diba? Nga kayo ngayon.
This representation was not the appropriations chair at the time. So the person who's covering the jurisdiction of that particular document, that is a document within the purview of the 19th Congress. Given that we've now crossed over to the 20th Congress, we would need to consider that request.
Madam Chair, that's not acceptable. This is public records. Pareho pa naman yung COMSEC natin. At yan dapat linalagay sa archives. Do I have to read the rules again regarding archives?
Correct.
Of all documents?
Wala silang lusot dito.
Kung may ang daming violation, Madam Chair. Walang record, hindi binigay. Ngayon, it's not readily available. Walang record.
Actually, nagbabase lang si Toby Chanco sa rules rin nila. So, wala silang lusot dito. Nasaan po ang report? Yun ang dapat nating tingnan kung ano yung nabawas, nadagdag. Di ba? Kung may corruption bang nangyari, yun, hinahanap yun.
Record sa archives, ano to, sikreto?
Again, this representation was
No,
not the
let's ask the
appropriations
committee
chair.
chair. Let's ask
at
the
the time.
committee secretary, where are the signed records of the 2025 small committee report?
Ayan, hanapin nyo. Na. Ayan. Wala silang lusot dyan. Di ba? Toby Chanco, good job. Good job sa'yo, sir.
Madam Chair, simple lang to. Kung electronic copy, dapat lahat may electronic copy.
Correct.
So dapat i-email sa amin lahat within 5 minutes, di ba?
Oh, ang simple niyan, electronic copy, i-email lang lahat ng mga kongresista o sa archive ninyo para doon ma-access sa publiko. 'Di ba? Ganun na 'yun kasimple, hindi talaga ninyo mahanap, 'di ba? So meaning ano ba? Negligence? Ayan, hanapin niyo. Anong rason niyo diyan na hindi niyo mahanap? May tinatago ba kayo? Nagtatanong lang tayo dito, ha?
Meeting suspended.
Na sinuspenda yung meeting. Ano nila? Baka may ano lang ito, ha?
Response
Baka
to the Honorable Chanco, we will look into the records and
Madam-
look at the
Madam Chair.
particular item. The subject
ngayon na, Madam Chair. Kasi po, Madam Chair, nakikinig ang taong bayan, di ba?
matter of today's hearing is the briefing on the 2026 budget. So this is an internal matter that may
No,
be
it's
taken
not.
up with the Committee on
Internal matter.
Appropriations
No, it's
separately.
not.
So
Madam
we would,
Chair, Madam Chair, starting Wednesday, tatanungin natin yung mga departamento paano nila ginastos yung budget nila.
Correct.
Paano natin sila tatanungin kung paano nila ginastos yung budget nila kung hindi natin alam paano sila nabawasan at paano sila nadagdagan.
Correct.
we
So
will be able to scrutinize the performance of the different agencies
no,
as
no.
well as the utilization of the different line items based on the 2025 performance.
No.
So this does not preclude us from doing that scrutiny.
Meron ba o wala?
We would have to look into the records. May I ask exactly what you are asking for?
The small committee report of the 2025 budget. Let us just ask the COMSEC kung meron o wala. Kung meron, why was it not filed sa archives based on our rules
Correct.
15 days after? So meron ba?
Ngayon na nagre-reklamo ka, ilalagay na nila yan. Booking eh.
Wala. Simple. Kung meron, bakit hindi na-file sa archives? Kung wala, I will let you proceed, Madam Chair. I will not hold this
So
budget.
meaning kasi may tinatago. Inanalyze ko lang, ha, hindi ako nag-aakusa. May tinatago ba? Kasi hindi nyo maipakita eh.
Hostage. Gusto ko lang malaman, meron o wala.
The
Meron o wala?
HGAB itself.
Naalala ko tuloy si Vic Soto at si Joey De Leon. Meron o wala? Para bayong ng game show ni Vic Soto sa Itbulaga.
The output of the small committee is already embedded into the HGAB itself. So that's the report. That's the output of the small
It's
committee.
not the report, Madam Chair. Based on our rules, each committee must come out with a report. No committee is exempted from coming out with a committee report.
Walang exempted. Klaro yan.
Please check Section 39 of Rule 9 of our rules.
Na. Toby Chanco, good job talaga, Toby Chanco. Tatataranta na sila.
Kasi di ba kung meron, ang dali-dali naman, di ba wala?
Pati si Sandro Marcos, yung majority leader, hanapin nyo ng paraan. Hindi, baka ganun lang. Baka ganun lang.
So the small committee is subsumed within the Committee on Appropriations, and it is the Committee on Appropriations who's required to submit the committee report. In this case, the report and the output of the Committee on Appropriations is the HGAB.
No, it's not. The HGAB is different from a committee report. Just like any other bill, the bill is different from the committee report. There must be a committee report included to the bill. It is not one and the same.
Sunog sila dito.
At the point of, after the committee hearings are done, the Committee on Appropriations comes out with a committee report, and then it moves to plenary, at which point we approve it, and the small committee works. So now, the output of the Committee on Appropriations, once that is elevated to the plenary, is the HGAB.
No.
So there's no other committee report that needs to be furnished by the Committee on Appropriations apart from the HGAB itself.
It is not exempted from our rules, Madam Chair. Maliwanag, Section 39. Gusto nyo basahin nyo? Okay, I will ask the committee secretariat, how many meetings were held?
Walang masagot.
There were 2 meetings.
2 meetings.
2 meetings. Okay.
Did you follow?
Akala ko walang masagot.
Nasaan yung minutes ng meeting?
Wala. Ano?
Where were the meetings held? What date?
Wala. Diyan tayo nakaproblema eh. Kasi kung alam nyo talaga yan, masasagot yan kaagad. Ano na? Madam Chair? Sagutin nyo, Madam Chair. Madam Chair, ano na? Sandro, tulungan mo.
Madam Chair, I can read Section 39 of our rules to make it clear that the committee report is different from the HGAB, but I don't want it to take up my time. Iba po yun eh, kasi tignan nyo yung BICAM. Di ba may BICAM report? Doon sa BICAM report, ito muna ba, umaandaw yung oras ko. Hindi pa nila natatapos yung...
Ayaw ka na nilang pasasalitain kasi nasunog na sila.
yung minarage ko. Doon sa BICAM report, nakasulat, okay, yung BICAM report, pinipintasan natin. Pero yung BICAM report, may nakasulat doon kung alin yung nabawasan, alin yung nagdagdagan. Dito sa HGAB, wala tayong makita kung alin yung nabawasan, alin yung nadagdagan.
With the indulgence of Representative Chanco, so the COMSEC is currently looking into the specific request as well as the level of detail that you are requesting.
No, within 5 minutes, I need the committee report.
If we may please move on to the other questions while they're working on this.
Yes, I will. But if within 5 minutes wala yan, ibig sabihin wala yan, ngayon palang gagawa yan. Ang gusto natin na committee report is the same as the BICAM. Okay? The same as the BICAM. Nakasulat kung saan binawas, saan nadagdag. Okay, I will mention why it is very important. Okay, ito may 2 distrito, no? At sino ang nag-introduce ng amendment? May 2 distrito, hindi naman to kasalanan ng congressman doon sa distritong yon. Ang NEP nila is 2.530 billion. And then, pagdating sa GAA, naging 20.999 billion. Isa pa, 1.508583 billion sa
Sumakit
NEP.
ang ulo ko nun.
Pagdating sa GAA, 20,795,000. So, tapos, ang pinasok lang sa BICAM dito is 5 billion and 4 billion each. So, ang napasok dun sa small committee is 13 billion. Doon sa isa, yung isa 14 billion. So, sino yung nagpasok ng 13 billion na yun at saan tinanggal yun?
Sino nagpasok doon? Ay, naku, grabe guys. We are not talking here of thousands. We are not talking here of millions. We are talking here of billions, guys. Ay, grabe. Ay, naku, sunog sila. Yan ang problema natin sa Pilipinas.
So,
Lana,
again,
ano?
the small committee is subsumed within the Committee on Appropriations, and it is not required to render a separate committee report. The rule that you are citing, Honorable Chanco, pertain to standing committees. And the mother committee in this case...
Tingnan nyo ha, mai-interrupin siya ng mga kasamahan nila dyan.
...of the small committee is the Committee on Appropriations.
Yes, but did we exempt the Committee on Appropriations not to submit a committee report? No.
Kaya nga sabi ko sa inyo ako po'y natatakot sa investigasyon ng flood control projects. Kung sila-sila rin ang mag-iimbestiga, halatang-halata, may duda talaga ako na pagtatakpan nila yung mga kasamahan nila. Yun ang aking duda lang ha. That's my opinion. We might be wrong, we might be correct with our analysis, pero hindi imposibleng mangyari yan. Di ba? Dito pa nga lang, tinatanong lang kung saan itong mga required silang magbigay ng mga reports na mga yung hinihingi ni Toby Chanco, nawawala nga eh. How much more yung mga anomalya na talaga, di ba?
Again, the committee report of the Committee on Appropriations at the plenary level is the HGAB itself.
Yeah, but all meetings, dito sa ating rules, all meetings must be on record. So it's not only the committee report, dapat yung small committee na yon, meron silang report na finurnish lahat.
Again, if with the indulgence of the Honorable Chanco, the COMSEC is looking into the request,
Wala
if
na.
we may move to the next
Okay,
question.
I will move to the next question.
Di ba? So, yun po. Dinidistract na nila si Toby Chanco sa next question. Ang sa akin lang naman dito is, kawawa talaga ang bayan, guys. Kasi even itong mga tanong ni Toby Chanco Toby Chanco is not accusing, he is questioning, actually. Nasaan ba ang report na ito? Para malalaman natin. Kasi po, ano bang pinagtataguan natin kung malinis yung report? Yun lang naman ang sa akin. Naiintindihan ko si Toby Chanco, hindi siya nag-aakusa na mayroong nawawalang pera. Nagtatanong lang siya, bakit nadagdagan ito ng pera? Umabot ng 13 billion. Anong napasok? Anong nabawas? At saan napunta? Yun lang po ang point ni Toby Chanco doon. Nasaan po ang report nito? Report kasi kahit si Toby Chanco na ang babasa doon, hindi na nga kayo, di ba? Pero guys, sa ganitong bagay, hindi nila maibigay. Meaning to say, wala talaga. Yung transparency natin bilang mga Pilipino, hindi nga natin maa-achieve yung transparency kasi merong mga ganitong mga pangyayari, di ba? So wala na talaga. Sobrang lala na po talaga itong administrasyon na ito. So, libre kayong mag-comment, mag-react sa ating mga pinag-usapan. Anong masasabi nyo dito? What's your opinion about this? Ilagay nyo po sa comment section. Doon po tayo mag-chika-chika sa comment section, okay? Do not forget guys na i-like at saka i-share itong video na ito para marami po ang makaalam sa katotohanan na nangyari ngayon sa bansang Pilipinas. Nang sa ganun, sa 2028, iboto nyo yung tama. Yung taong mga politicians na kakampi ng taong bayan. Okay? So guys, like and share. At sa mga ngayon lang nanood sa aking channel at nagustuhan nyo ang ating talakayan, consider na isubscribe itong ating channel kasi libre lang po ang subscription sa YouTube, walang bayad.
Ito na nga mga kabalita. Ano na ang masasabi nyo patungkol sa balitang ito? Please comment down below mga kabalita. Pag-usapan natin yan sa comment section. At kung di ka pa nakasubscribe sa ating channel, baka naman